Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show how to run this pull request review agent in your machine using Ollama and LM Studio, either or. So what is this agent? It is an AI powered pull request review agent which will run in your computer, will send your code to your locally hosted LLM and show you the result in your machine. There is nothing going out from your machine. So let's go to the prerequisite. Now you must have the GH. GH is GitHub CLI in your machine. So if you don't have, it's just you run this one. You should have this one, and you should be logged in with the GH or GitHub CLI. Okay, step one. Then what we have is we have Ollama or LM Studio. Fortunately, I have both. So if I just show then I'll see a couple of models. I'll be using Gemma 3 because it's so fast to show the video. And also I'll be using LM Studio, and also it has the Gemma as well. Okay, so let's see the next step. And yep, so okay, now before you run the application, you should go to the workflow.ts and change your appropriate model or the provider. Now if I go to workflow.ts in my code, let's go to my code. So you see we are in the workflow.ts file, and for yes, the code is not that much sophisticated yet, but it works. So you see currently my selected model is LMS Gemma 3.1b, and selected provider is LM Studio. So I'm just using the local host. So that's the thing you just need to tweak according to your configuration. Okay, nothing else. Now let's go to the directory cd. I think I have something here. No, that's fine. Okay, so I'm the directory, and you should do your npm install and npm build. So I'm just doing in front of you npm run build because it is a TypeScript project and I didn't configure it to run TS node. So just build it. And if you see your documentation, our documentation, you see we should also run the db command to sync the database. Yeah. Okay, yeah, this one, db migrate. I already have that, so I'm not going to do that. So now let's run our first analysis. So because I'm doing a video, I'm not going to take too much time, so I'm just trying to do this one, 6511 of the express, because it's just 2 lines of code and 1 file. So I'm just going to change this npm run start review and this one. So if you run this one, you will see it will pull the changes and it starts analyzing locally. And if you see my mouse over here, top right, it is using GPU 100%. And if you have LM Studio opened and you go to developer, nope, let's pause a bit. Yep, I remember. So see in the mouse, I think you can see my mouse over here, bottom of the page. It is using 91%, and if I go to settings and hardware, it is using 91% of CPU and not much RAM per se. Okay, just for information, my machine is M4 Pro, so that's why, and it is running. Not sure how much time it will take. Okay, let's just skip it. So you will just change your local configuration, and because it's TypeScript, you have to rebuild it. Rebuild means npm run build and run it. And how it will be seen? How is the report? The report will be like this. So the PR number, the URL, when it ran, and the analysis performance, and blah blah blah. And this one is the other one where I ran with the Ollama. Sorry, this one is LM Studio. The other one is Ollama. And yeah, it is quite a long analysis. So this is the documentation, but how about we want to see the UI? What's happening? Yep, you can do it as well. So let's go to npm, sorry, cd Hikma, because I have created a, what do you call it, GUI, graphics user interface application. So we go to Hikmapr GUI, and again you have to run the migrate and stuff. So run build, maybe not. I just do it habit, you can say. Oh no, I just run this npm run dev. Let's see what happens. Oh, build is production build, maybe that's why. Anyway, I'm not expert on Next.js, so sorry for that. Now if I go to my 3000 port, what I'm going to see like this. So it's a pretty basic Next.js application I made. Not I make, the agents are the AI bots made. And you see I have done quite a lot of analysis, and you will see the analysis reports here as well. Even though if you delete your markdown files from here, the reports folder, I can show you, give me a second. Nope, not this one, this one. If you delete these reports, still these reports can be seen into the UI as well. So yeah, you can see what's happening. So if you have any suggestion how to improve the UI, feel free to send issues or request. Let's discuss on the GitHub repository issues. So I think that's it. I hope you liked it, and if you have any suggestions, question, comment, thoughts, please let me know. I'll be happy to collaborate and discuss with you about this. So far so good, I think. That's all. Thank you for watching.